Ready to ditch the digital tumbleweeds and finally build a Wix landing page that actually converts visitors into paying customers? I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create a high-converting Wix landing page, focusing on key elements that grab attention and drive results. So, fire up your Wix editor and let's get started. First, head over to Wix and select the ADI option to have Wix create a basic website for you, then convert it into a landing page. This way, you can convert any website into a high-converting landing page. Now, let's focus on crafting a killer headline. Your headline is the first thing visitors see, so make it count. It should be concise, attention-grabbing, and clearly communicate the value proposition of your offer. Follow that headline with a compelling subheadline that expands on the main point and entices visitors to learn more. Next, choose a visually appealing image or video that complements your headline and reinforces your message. Opt for high-quality visuals that are relevant to your offer and evoke positive emotions. Remember, visuals are crucial for capturing attention and creating a positive first impression. Now, the most important part, the call to action. Your CTA should be clear, concise, and action-oriented. Use strong verbs like get started now, download your free guide, or book your consultation. Make the CTA button visually prominent by using a contrasting color, sufficient size, and placing it above the fold. And finally, build a landing page. Let capture form streamline your form by only asking for the essential information you need, such as name and email address. The shorter the form, the higher the conversion rate will be, and make sure it's visible. Once the form is all set, place it strategically below the call to action. Switch to the mobile view in the Wix editor to ensure your landing page looks great on all devices. Adjust the layout, font sizes, and spacing as needed to create a seamless user experience for mobile visitors. And that's it. With these key elements in place, you're well on your way to creating a high-converting Wix landing page that drives engagement and boosts your business. Now go create pages that convert. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.